my friend. I understand being skeptical, mostly when you're new to something, right? Let me just give you some advice. So when I discovered this process back in September of 2022, I was stressed, I was overwhelmed, I was super disappointed in myself. I looked in the mirror and I was like, how did I get here? I'm a mom of 6 kids, only have 2 left at home. I now have 5 grandchildren, and time with my family is the most important thing to me. But also being able to pay the bills was important to me, right? My purpose is to be able to feed my kids. My passion is to be able to have more time and feed my kids, and I was struggling miserably at that. And so I had 2 choices, and that was stay the same or look where other people are and look at them and be like, if they can do it, I can do it. And that's what I took action. I took action as a student, ready to learn these skills. I was sick and tired of being broke. I was sick and tired of lacking time with my family. So I took action and I just followed the process step by step. I went from stressed and overwhelmed to making 6 figures in 6 months. And my goal was to make $54,000 a year working 2 hours a day. Never in my wildest dreams did I think something like this would work as well as it has. All I know is I'm so grateful that I didn't allow my stinking thinking, I didn't allow my limiting beliefs to hold me back, because I don't even know where my family would be today. It's been completely life-changing for me. So all I gotta say is if I can do it, why can't you, my friend? Just think about that.